Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach fill the member form, click save button, record want to save on the database table. So how to do the task step by step we'll teach today. So first what I am going to do is I have changed and rename all the text fields successfully. So first I am going to go to assign into the relevant fields. So first what I am going to do is here, I just copy these lines. Very simply I just paste it over here. This is save button, double click on this one. Inside here you have to paste and rename it simply. First one should be our this one text field. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Member number, M number. Second one name, txt name, M name, member name. After that join, date of join, date of join, d join, dj. What is the text field name? dob date, dob date. Right, that's it. After that gender, not gender, have an e contact, e contact. As do it here is e contact. After that e phone number, Control C to copy this one, e phone. After that relationship, txt relationship. After that plan, nice, txt font. Gender, right? You have successfully done the stuff, right? These fields we have successfully assigned into the relevant variables here. Okay, so I'm going to go to add the records. So we have to write the insert code. So I already tried this one. I have to change this one as a member table. Right. Right. Here we have a try block. Inside the try block we have to write the code. Okay, so if I write and explain it take too much of time to complete the project. So we have to start with prepare statement object I have created above. Here the prepare statement object pst have to create it above, so that you have to get it here. Connection, prepare statement, insert into which table I am going to insert the record, member table. So member table I haven't created yet, so you have to create the member table. So here this is a database, the gym, new, sorry, go back, member. We didn't specify the columns, how many columns we need, so we have to specify the columns 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 8, 9, 10 columns are there. 10. Click, right. Member ID, MID. Here we are enter manually, not auto increment. Member name, second field is a varchar. After that, join d join varchar. After that, contact name, emergency contact name, emergency contact name. After that, phone number, emergency phone number, phone. So write simply name, emergency contact name, emergency phone number, simply. After that, relationship, name varchar, phone number, relationship is a varchar, right? After that, plan as a int, the type as int. Plan, price int, phone number, int, gender, type as watch. These are the fields you have to create on the database table. Okay, right, this following fields you have to create with the values and data types you have to select here as click hit save button. All the details will be saved on your database table, look like this. Okay, very simple. Now let's back to our form. Right, this is simple things we have to do, right? So first what I am going to do is after that we have to do it here is right. Now let's double click on the save button. So we have to add the fields. First field sorry, not member, right. First field is here is what is field? MID. Control C to copy. I have to paste it here. So to paste it here, name, member name, djoin, name, phone, relationship, plan, price, comma, phone, comma, gender. So we have 10 fields. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 fields are there. Perfect. Now here what I am going to do is here you have to assign the relevant there things. M number is there. After that, M name, date, contact, phone, relation, plan, price. After that, phone number. After that, gender. That's it. Yep, member added. That's the thing we have to do. Okay, so that's all the stuff we have done. So let's do the task. So this one should be our plan. The plan is there. It's a plan, right? Now let's now let's execute the program. Check whether it's working fine or not. Member number, name John, date of join, e-contact James, relationship father, e-phone number, something like that. You have to give a phone number like this. Price 3 months plan, 4,000 price. Phone number something like 12,000. Sorry, phone number I write something like that. You have to give the phone number like this with mail. Hit save button. Whatever. Why it's not working? Again I am going to run it and check. Just add the some dummy data. We'll check. Phone number. Why it's not working? The save button is not working. Here the error we have didn't mention the error, then only it show the error. What is the error there? Print trace. That's why it won't show the error. Okay, the error here, error will be there. Plan, plan. There is a problem with the plan. So the plan is a plan. We have a problem is here. Plan we have set here as int. That was the problem. I think we have to this one we have to change it as a plan. We have to change it as watcher. That's the problem, I think. Right, now let's check whether it's working fine or not. John, e-contact James, something like that. Mobile number, relationship father, price 4,000, phone number something like that, with mail. Click save button. Member added. Working perfectly well. It's working perfectly well. You will be able to see the record over here. The browse button, you can check the record. It's working perfectly well. This is how we have to do the things. Okay, this is the member registration part we have to do. I hope you guys you understood the things. In my next video I have continuing the remaining videos. Okay, so thank you for watching.